students, how are you? Today we are going to learn in this lecture what does diversity add to our lives? What changes comes in our life by diversity? I explained you a story in the last lecture. In that I explained why the diversity is important. Now let's continue the story. How? I'll explain it to you. Now see, do you have a friendship like Samir Ek and Samir Do have? Do you have friends like this? Or have you ever observed friends like this? Where there was a friendship like Samir Ek and Samir Do could belong to other religions, different social backgrounds. Have you ever made a friends like this? Who is totally different from you and you are totally different from them. You and your friends are having the friendship, then you learn something new from him or her, or your friend also learning something new from you, who expresses the new things with you. So, this is the advantage of diversity. How the diversity enhances our life. Now, we imagine the different situation of Samir Ek and Samir Do. They were different, though they were having diversity between them. What we learn is that more people forms more diversity. Now, let's move forward. What we see is that there are different types of diversities in our society. Like the diversity in terms of food, festivals, clothes and languages, etc. In this sense, there is a different differences. There are different types of diversities. Everyone eating habits are different. Like if you go in South India, you will see people eat idli sambar, and if you go to north side, you would see people eat dal bati, right? There is also diversity in festivals, like Hindu celebrate Ganpati, Diwali, Dasera, or Christian celebrates Christmas, Muslim celebrate Eid, and if we combine it together, how beautiful the world looks. The different types of festivals they are all are celebrating, right? Now, my dear students, let's imagine the situation if everything looks same. If everyone wears same clothes, eating same food, celebrating only one festival, then think how everything would become monotonous. Even in the market of the city, everyone wearing same dress. So, there will be a bit of misunderstanding or confusion to identifying the family, your family members. Now come to the question, what diversity adds to our life? The diversity brings a change in our life. It gives us uniqueness. Imagine that every storyteller becomes same and writes the same story every time. There would be no uniqueness or no difference in the story, right? So, will you hear it again and again? No. You will feel irritating, right? So, in that sense, diversity gives us uniqueness. And there is a diversity when people comes from different cultural backgrounds, and at that time, what will we get? We will get a uniqueness. And there are a new outlook towards society. What can we conclude now? We can conclude that diversity makes our world more beautiful. When diversity, because of the diversity, the world looks more beautiful. Diversity adds lot in our lives. Diversity is a lifeline celebrating our life. Are you getting me? So, in this sense, diversity is very important. Now, what is diversity? Why it is important? Like Samir 1 and Samir 2 we have learnt. Okay. Now we will learn in the next video lecture diversity in India and different forms different forms in India of diversity. Okay. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Bye.